Welcome to Cooking with Iyanna, Quarantine Edition. So, in today's episode, I will help you guys make a delicious smoothie. First, you'll need your dairy-free milk. Pour it in the blender. Next, you'll need an immune-boosting supplement. You can add banana powder or skip this step. I'm using almond butter because I already have it, but regular peanut butter will do. Grab a date or two. These are the only dates we'll be catching. Grab some frozen bananas if you have it. Now let's blend. Grab your eco-friendly straw and make sure your pet doesn't mistake it for a chew toy. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is the closest thing for us making a smoothie together. Until next time, sip and enjoy.